Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Different starting lineup to begin this game for Coach Jerson Cabirtes, who has been known to really tweak his starting lineup. Naangkop dun sa matchup nila, the lineup in their last game against Caloocan, and now starts this game to maybe provide them with some scoring to begin. And he gets the first basket para dito sa
Batang Kalu. So they're certainly capable of beating teams at the top of the North, but Jory Napoles from the elbow, able to exchange for Allen Mina. Art de la Cruz, the hook shot will rattle out and in again.
The flex action floor with that patented left-hand hook.
Jory Napoles, jumper position. De la Cruz against Napoles. Pangasinan really active on the defensive end. Jory Napoles straight to the cup.
That is how they were able to dominate teams in the past. Their ability to will give them easy baskets, but here they set up in the half court. They go to Bonga Lanza at the elbow. A lot more pace in this game.
And now, Tessa Gabo will push it, gives it up to Michael Mapula. Shot from Art de la Cruz. Tatakbo na naman dito ang Heat Waves. Jory Napoles, dire-diretso, puts it in, plus a foul.
Oh, they just continue in control of the rock. Here, Napoles gets it. Di na niya give up kay Gabo or kay Galanza or kahit kay Victoria, who was asking for it on the right side. He saw that.
Coco with a free, off target, inside, and better execution that time.
Here in the league, who can actually put up those kinds of numbers at his position. He might be the best at it.
Yeah, Flores Victoria. J-Boy. Now he attacks. One-hander is good for J-Boy. Coco Pinggoy, entry pass, papunta kay Mark Dyke. Pinasa palabas. Miranda for free. Something that they desperately need.
Basketball around and getting it to AJ Miranda.
Ese Gabo fading away.
Make sure you get familiarized with how things actually happen. That's a big shot for Coco Pinggoy.
Tumingin pa kay Mike Huy. Bintis. Bulanadi puts it on the deck, pulling up. Alin Bulanadi with a one. J-Boy binigay kay Coco Pinggoy. Pinggoy will fire and score from downtown.
Those are the type of shots. Mga totoong tests ay nangyari rin naman talaga doon sa mga talo nila, because this is yung mga teams na talagang nasa taas. These are the elite teams. So until
Bulanadi still on the floor, will rise up for the jumper. Gets that one in.
You like to see Sabalin after making the basket. Already 2 field goals in this game para sa kanya. And that's the type of Bulanadi that you want.
Bagsanhan to Bulanadi. Skips it to Vic Manuel. He fires from free. It's good. Ball stolen away by Bulanadi. 3-point shot. Back-to-back threes from the Heat Waves.
Every end of the offense here para sa Cowboys.
De la Cruz hits the jumper from Will. Spins around Josh Giab. Settles for the one-hander. It will not trickle in. Bagsanhan with a putback.
Crack at it.
Giab with a jumper. Ay baba ang lamang Mike Di Gregorio. Galanza. Nagtangan ng bola. Crossover dribble. Eludes the defense of McCoy Marcos and lays it in for 2 more points.
Incredibly difficult shot right there.
Bonga Lanza visibly shaken up. I think he had a bad landing when he made that shot.
Take a look at what happened here. That's a tough shot on a tough angle.
Ouch. Yeah.
Yeah. Ayun, nabagsakan kasi siya.
Hindi naman sadya, no, from McCoy. So, Bonga Lanza will throw back to the bench. 42-25, bumagsak si Gumaru. Naihatid ang bola kay Giap. Mid-range jumper is pure, but they turn the ball over. Unti-unti lumalapit ang Ilagan Isabela. Three-pointer knocked down by Dennis Santos. Ang Josh Giap to Art de la Cruz. Masyadong malakas. Rebound to Gumaru. Pass inside. 2 points from guarding off. Wait. Both coaches are heated up.
They are hot right now. They're sizzling mad at their officials.
Technical foul on Pangasinan Midway's head coach Gerson Cabiltes for using profane language.
Coach Gerson is going to be teed up. That's going to be a technical free throw for the Cowboys.
But they will still award the challenge on that foul called on Mike Di Gregorio. It's their second challenge. We're still here in the first half. We'll be back.
The Pangasinan's challenge was successful. There was no
Ang
foul,
challenge
retained
successful for
possession
Coach Gerson, kaya
by
lang
Ilagan Isabela.
bago pa mangyaring lahat, tinawagan siya ng technical foul. Pero tama naman no, yung pagka-challenge niya dito.
And he even feels that there should have been an offensive foul.
Gumaru. Hinatid kay Art de la Cruz. Gumaru will launch a free and hit it.
One of their best three-point shooters. Ito
Numero para sa Heatwaves. Pero bola na agaw ni DH. Leaking out is Art de la Cruz who lays it up with his right hand. Ilagan Isabela in transition. 14 seconds left. Gumaru.
That's count if it goes in. Who defend well and can score easily on the
11.9 seconds left. Gumaru hits. Will settle for a mid-range jumper but can't get that one to fall. Galanza. The most dangerous guy off an offensive rebound is that guy right there hitting a
increased chances to miss shots. But over time, masasanay at masasanay naman siya. And that's why it's important for them to continue to step up, especially right now that hindi pa sila sigurado makakapasok ng playoffs.
nice executed backdoor play. There is naagaw na naman ng Ilagan Isabela. Tatakbo si Art de la Cruz. Art, that shot will pop out. He was able to track it down. And a foul against Pangasinan. 2 free throws. Earning an all-star nod again. This free throw of the game brought to you by Extreme Applied. 2 free. Sorry, miss from Dennis Santos. Pretty much a makeable shot, and it's a 4 points.
Pangasinan, the opportunity to go on transition.
Nice dive by Mark Dyke. Another De La Cruz. Nakabigwit na naman ng foul. Ibagsanan pinasok for Bong Galanza. De La Cruz hit it to 5. Toss against Pagsanhan. Bola na wala sa kanila pero na-recover ni Josh Giab sa loob. Dennis Santos! 2 points plus the foul!
Napaganda pa. Little bit of a sloppy play back there on that pass to Dennis Santos. Found its way to the hands of Josh Giab, who makes a heads-up.
Sinan. Manuel has yet to get himself going, but he flips it up with his one-hander. Balik sa up.
Oh my.
Coach Louie exasperated on the sidelines, and that is exactly why. Pingoy nakawala. Pingoy sa loob. Left-handed layup is good. Yep. Mark Dyke. Straight away free. Puts it in. The lead is down to 1.
Responsible for hitting Dyke with that outside shot.
Ball stolen by Mark Dyke. A chance to take the lead. Josh Giab in transition. Lays it in. And for the first time since being up 2-0, 56.
Pangasinan, they lost to Caloocan just a few days ago. But just to remind everybody else, Ilagan beat Caloocan to close out their season. So they certainly are very capable of pulling off another upset here tonight against Pangasinan on their home floor.
And troubling times.
7, what a series that would be against his former team, the Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards in Palayan City. We all know how exciting that would be. Ken Javi.
That's the ultimate goal. Maraming salamat, Mi.
Expectations. That's already something that he had to deal with.
Official outfitter of the MPBL.
Disagree a little bit on that because the league, all of the teams, almost all of the teams have really beefed up their rosters. It is kaya naman Timoken dito sa ating venue
In their home games this season.
and a Pangasinan fan, you're just waiting for the heat waves to
Sa corner exit by Bulanani. Can't hit the 3. Time winding down. Still enough time for Ilagan Isabela in stride. Beating the buzzer off that layup is Ajem Miranda. Fourth quarter. You see how Ilagan Isabela outscored them quite well, holding Pangasinan to just 13 points, and the onslaught continues. A free from Mark Dyke. It's now an 8-point lead for the Cowboys.
they don't seem to have plans on looking back in this game, Ken.
Galanza steps closer, lays it in. Defense nitong Ilagan Isabela. Not much fluidity on their offense, although Napoles bails them out with that jumper.
Time in that third quarter. Second, that option, hindi na nila masyadong ine-explore compared to the first quarter.
Drives baseline, goes for the reverse. A brave move off the... Not even close. Almost a steal. In fact, they do get the basketball. And a foul against Lawrence Victoria.
Another turnover by Pangasinan. That has also hurt them a lot in this game, Ken. 17 turnovers for the Heatwave.
On Tumalip. Tumalip drives right. Kicks it out to Josh Giab. The shot fake. The step back. The pass to Tumalip. 3 seconds left for free. It's good.
They have learned. Kita mo, walang pag-aalinlangan dun sa ginagawa nila. Walang pagmamadali dun sa opensa nila. They got it to the open man. But here, that's also what Pangasinan did. And they get
Controls. The hesitation. Pingoy. Turns it over again. Tatakbo si Alin Bulanani. Dire-diretso. Lays it up in. Lead back to Pangasinan getting their second win. But only 4 on their shot clock. Bulanani drills in that long 3-point bomb.
Adi finally showing us what he is about here in this game. Fourth quarter production. 5 points on layup, and then this booming triple from way downtown. That was almost near the
Art de la Cruz. Back to J-Boy. He will draw closer. Solis. Another foul against Pangasinan. 2 free throws coming up.
No matter what he does, the defensive attention will be on him when the double comp deck and attacked.
J-Boy Solis hitting big free throws. And how about... We'll find out what he's made of. Talking about J.R. Oligario. Mabulak forcing it up. Got rejected by J-Boy Solis. Miranda in transition. Sidestep. Stumbling down but still managing to lay it up and in.
To get it inside.
Tabla na naman. 74 apiece. Napoles. Misfires from the outside. He cuts. Nice pass from Mabulak. And Jory Napoles lays it in.
J.R. Olegario yung bola.
76-74. The fourth quarter. J-Boy knocks down. The crowd booing him. Yeah, he misses the second. AP Maguliano. Art, series of moves. J-Boy, too strong. Wow, a foul against Olegario. Wala nang challenge ang Ilagan Isabela. After
It was a landing spot foul against Jero Ligario. He did not allow Galan
Or get into the playoffs after
in this game. Still a lot of time to play.
Napoles attacks the defense of J-Boy Solis and he scores. Wild shot, no whistle, but Olegario comes away with a steal and backs it in. The lead.
What a big play for the Cowboys.
De La Cruz for the lead. It's good! The Cowboys up 80-79. Numbers here for the Heat Waves. Napoles got blocked. Maguliano there for the stick back.
That is why.
Shot clock is off. Ilagan needs to foul, and they do.
Oh boy. What a crazy sequence. I'm surprised J-Boy Solis gave up an open look on the left side. Could have been a short jumper, could have been a drive to the basket. Whichever way, I thought that play was already going to go to him. Instead, he passed it off for a lower percentage look to the open guy in the corner. That was Jero Ligario.
Big miss from the line. Art de la Miranda. He was not there in that initial matchup. Miranda makes his move, puts it up, puts it in. We are tied.
On the previous play, after that foul on Alin Bulanadi, and I was beginning to wonder who would take the final shot. Lo and behold, AJ Miranda.
7 seconds remaining. Gabo with 5 against AJ Miranda. Gabo will make his move, will put it up. It's short, and we are going into overtime.
About dito sa Liga ng Bawat Pilipino, then you're watching it right now. Pangasinan led by as much as 17 points in this game, Ken. The Cowboys, they've led also in this game here in the fourth. Signals blessings coming our way, and this is definitely a treat for every MPBL fan watching tonight to have this game go another 5 minutes as his
then get into the playoffs. But 2 big misses from the line. Galanza has had a shooting touch all night long. Knocks down another 3. Sticking to this 2-3 zone. Air ball from 3 from Alin Bulanadi. Susugod si AJ Miranda. Puts it up and another basket.
AJ Miranda just finds a way.
Mabas na 2 lamang. Supalpal inabot ni Gabo kay Mark Dyke. Pero nandoon para linisin yung kanyang mintes si JP Maguliano. Down, 6 seconds left. Gabo. Long 3-point shot. Oh my goodness! Hesed Gabo drills in that 3.
Very well. All options denied. Had no other recourse but to take the shot himself with a shot clock winding down.
86. AJ Miranda, the pass to Don Gumaru. Well executed play off a timeout as it's Victoria. Ooh, not a good foul. Struggling from the line. It will,
especially with this kind of situation. Hesed Gabo to make that shot difficult for Don Gumaru.
Hard foul given up by Don Gumaru.
Minutes.
Galanza hits the free throw.
Even averaging 10 points per game this season.
They need to make up for 3 possessions. Miranda drives. And more free throws come.
And in close games, it might even be the most important cricket game.
Galanza, like you said, cramping up.
That right leg doesn't look good at all. Parang tigas na ng calf muscle na.
Bumigay na. And Emer Oreta enjoying this game between Ilagan Isabela and Pangasinan. Tumalip giving up the foul.
These are the moments that he loves, Ken.
Yeah.
May not be putting a person keeps him on his squads.
One of the rare guys.
Maraming salamat. Congratulations, Hesed. You have always been that clutch guy for Coach Gerson. But in my opinion, this has got to be one of the best games. You have represented him. You owned overtime, your decisions, your shots, your defense. Kamusta ka pagkatapos ng larong ito?
It's tiring and I just want to give credit sa Ilagan, yung sistema nila. Ang hirap din bantayan dahil continuous movement and syempre credit din kila Coach Gerson and to the coaching staff for really preparing us for the game.